Hi everyone. Today I wanted to share with you some unique flowers that I've made from the scrapbook paper. Last year I made some smaller ones of the same version, and I wanted to make some larger ones and just try some different colored papers and adding a little glitter and things like that. So it's pretty simple to do. I'm just gonna explain it, but I'm not actually gonna make one because you use the glue gun and it gets a little fiddly. So what you do is if you have a circle punch, I have a 1.5 inch circle punch, and I punch out the circles like this. And for one of the flowers, which would be about this size that I've made, you need 9 of the circles, 1 for the base and then 8 for the petals. And you just take your glue gun, or actually first what you do is take your little circles here and you cut up to the center like this, and then you're gonna kind of fold it in like this and put your glue along here and do this for 8 of them. And then when you get those shapes, then you'll start to build your flower. And you just start layering it on the bottom circle like this around. You do about 5 on the bottom and then 3 in the center. And then you can add a center embellishment for whatever you like in there. I used different things like pom-poms. I added a little bit of netting in there. And on here you can see I added some of that stickles in there for a little sparkle. Let's see, this one I used the netting with the pearl, and other ones I used a little button in the center there. Same with this one here. And yeah, I thought they turned out really cute. Here's one with pattern paper and a little pom-pom in there, another patterned one. It's pretty with the netting and the little pearl. Yeah, so you use the 1.5 inch circle punch and 9 of these. And obviously if you don't have a circle punch, you could just trace out something around this size. It's like about a 1 inch, or 1.5 inch circle. So anything that you can find in your house that's close to that. For smaller ones I traced a quarter or a nickel. These are the smaller ones. I did a few of these, which are really cute, nice to put on packages and send to in your Happy Mail or so forth. Here's another little one, floral paper. And then I packaged up a couple just to show what you could do to send these to your friends, or that they could use on their gifts or their packaging. And just put a couple inside there, and made a little topper and just put it like this. It'd be really cute to send. Another idea is you could make gift tags and just add the little flowers to the gift tags. Make really cute toppers for your packages. So that just gives you a little idea. I watched several tutorials, I think it was last year, on these, so I can't remember exactly where I learned how to make them, but if you search, I'm sure you'll find some YouTubes on how exactly to do them if I didn't explain it well enough. But yeah, I hope you try them, and they're really cute to put on your packages and give to your friends. So thank you for watching, and have a great day today. Bye-bye.